Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Android tutorial, we're gonna learn how to build a custom dialog in your Android application. So here I have created a simple application for you as an intro of this tutorial. So as you can see, when I press on the button, so you can see a dialog that pops up. So it has a floating type logo design just right above the dialog box. It has a cross button and it has a done button with some message in this dialog box. Okay, so let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so let's move to our Android Studio to build the project. So here I have created a new Android project and named it as dialog pop-up. So it has a main activity and a XML file with the hello world text in it. Okay, so first of all, we need to create a custom dialog, the XML file. Here in the layout, just create a new layout resource and name it as custom dialog. Okay, and make it relative layout. Okay, so I will just fast forward the UI part. So you can just copy this code in the video, or you can just visit my website to get the complete source code. Okay, so I will just fast forward from now, just the UI part. Okay, so our UI is been created, so we need to add some images over here. So let's create it. So first of all, I need a vector image for a cancel button over here. So let's create it. Okay, so let's see cancel, search it. Let's change the color to red. Okay, so let's name it as IC cancel. Okay, so now you can use this. And one more thing, I need a logo, so I will just copy a image. Okay, I will just copy it and paste it in my drawable folder. Okay, so for a logo over here, I will just attach a background from drawable logo. So as you can see, a logo is there. So now let's give this background to this cancel button. Background drawable IC cancel. Okay, so our UI design has been created. So now this is in complete square. So to give a radius to this, okay, so to give a corner radius like this, you need to create one more XML file. So let's create it. Let's create drawable resource and give it as uh, dialog background dot xml. So here let's do it. So first change this to insect. Okay, and over here let's give a insights left. Okay, first is left, we need to give as 5 dp. Instant top 5 dp. Okay, like this for bottom and right side. Bottom and the right side 5 dp. Okay, so let's give a shape to it. Shape rectangle. corner radius we need, radius will give as 10 or 20 dp. Okay, solid, color white, so the background will be in white, complete white. And let's give a stroke width of 5 dp, and color we will give as white, sorry. Okay, so now we need to attach this. Okay, there is an error, so let me check. Okay, it's gone. So we need to attach this custom background to this custom dialog. So to attach it, in this layout over here, background, drawable dialog background. So let's attach it. So you can see it got affected over here, so it is not visible as we have set the background as white, so it is not visible. So let's go to main activity.dart. So here we need to call this uh, custom dialog. So for that we need to create a button. So let's create a button in main activity main. Over here I will just remove the text widget and create a button, a simple button. Wrap context text. So dialog, let's give an id. Okay, so in main activity, just we will just find view by id. Okay, so now here when the button is been pressed, we need to show a dialog box. So first of all, you need to create a view that is alert layout, alert custom dialog. Okay, so layout inflator dot from main activity dot this dot inflate the layout that we have created, layout dot custom dialog. Okay, so we have created a view by making use of layout inflator, and we have passed the custom dialog that we have created. Okay, so let's build a layout builder, alert dialog builder dot build alert is equal to new alert builder. Okay, so this dialog we need to show in main activity dot this alert dialog dot set view. So what we are doing over here is, so in this alert dialog we are just attaching our alert custom dialog. Over here we need to attach. Okay, so now final alert dialog is equal to alert dot create. Okay, so now by making use of this dialog you can show the dialog. So let's do it, alert dialog dot show. Okay, so I will just run the app. Okay, so app is got installed. So when I press on this button, so you can see there is a dialog box, but this image is not floating in between. So to do that, here you need to just add a code, that is dialog get window dot set background drawable new color dialog android dot graphics dot color dot transparent. Okay, second. Okay, so it is getting removed, it's okay. So now if I run the code, so you can see the background got removed, and you can see a border radius being given to this button. Okay, So now you can just give an functionality to this OK button, and you can just give functionality to this cross button. So I will just show this cross button how to add, how to cancel the dialog. So first of all, you need to go to custom dialog. So over here, you need to give ID to this button or a image view, cancel button. Okay, and then just come to your main activity. So over here, create a image view object, and after initializing this view, over here you need to find view by id, image view alert dialog dot find view by id io dot id dot. So the id is cancel button. So now you can use this cancel button to close the dialog box. So to do that, cancel dot set on click listener, on click listener. Okay, so over here, when the button is been cancel button is been pressed, you just need to use this dialog dot dismiss. Let's restart our app. Let's check if it works. Okay, so app got installed. So when I press on this dialog button, so you can see the dialog, and when I press on this cross button, so it goes dismiss. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. The complete source code is in our website protocoderspoint.com. So the link will be in the description, you can go check it out. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Protocoders Point.